Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you some great standing exercises for the ab, and I'm literally wearing my jeans, so you don't need to get changed. You can wear your jeans, your joggers, as long as you're wearing comfortable clothes. So what we're going to do first, we're going to do 4 different exercises to really tone up, almost if you're over 50, the menopausal belly as well. So first things first, I'm not wearing any trainers because I'm inside the house. So if you're wearing trainers, that's fine. But for me, I'm not wearing trainers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread my toes out on the floor so you have more surface area on the floor for stability. And I'm just going to roll my shoulders back a couple of times and then just set the shoulders back so you're nice and straight and relaxed on the shoulders, placing the hands onto our tummy and just gently breathing in for 3 and just holding that engagement on our core, if you like. So the first exercise we're going to come with our arms like so, and we're just gently going to twist 8 times on each side. So placing our hands like that, or you could place them like that if you like, and we'll come down and just gently twist for 1, 2, 3, and you want to make sure that you're holding your core in at the same time as well. 5, 6, 7, and the last time 8. And just wiggle out if you like to just get everything settled again. So now we're going to take our arms, we're going to lift them up, and we're going to lift our one leg up and place it onto our knee and come back up again, and we're going to alternate legs like so. We do this 8 times again on each leg, making sure the core is engaged, back nice and straight, arms up, and then touching the knee. 1, 2, lifting the leg up at the same time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and shake it out. So the next exercise we're going to place our legs out slightly and gently bend them, and you want your feet slightly turning out, also making sure that our knees are not going over our toes. You can go lower if you like for more, you'll actually work the thigh again as well. So placing our hand gently onto our tummy and making sure that core's engaged, we're going to place our hands on the top of our head, and we're gently going to come down, almost touching the knee, coming back up and down. And we'll do this for 8 times on each side. 2, 3, also working the obliques. 4, 5, 6, good one for balance. 7 and 8. Last time. And gently rise up. So now we're going to stand nice and straight, take our arms out, we're going to lift them up and swoosh down and come back up as if you're almost skiing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And gently come back up and just give a little shake.